You're so weird. Okay, so we thought we should do another video to kind of update some things that we've gotten done, progress we've made. It's starting to look like a legit home, I guess. And so yeah, so that's what we're doing. We've been emptying boxes and putting things away, and rugs are down, and the bathroom's just about done, just needs to be painted, a little more caulk that David has to do. And yeah, so that's it.
I wasn't supposed to have to do it though.
The ceiling's too tall, I can't do it. Anyway, so I think you've already done video of this.
No, let's take them through the tour. Give us a tour of the house.
So this is the parlor.
The parlor.
The parlor. And so we've kind of, some new furniture, hating those pillows, those are gonna go away. But yeah, David's father's built this grandfather clock over here, and I think that's kind of the perfect place for it. And we're still kind of shifting stuff around. The little hutch over here, the little corner one, that's from my dad. And so we think that's gonna stay there. Haven't put the shelves in yet, they're in a box down there. And we went and got this, we didn't have anything to put the TV on, and we didn't wanna cut big holes in the plaster. So we got this little piece, what was this called?
A server.
A server.
It's a buffet, whatever.
A buffet, whatever. Anyway, really great condition, and we got it at the flea market here in town. Got a really good deal on it. It's got lots of shelves and stuff, and so we're using that. It works out perfectly. Trash can will go in the kitchen someday, but right now it's resting here. We're not using it. We're using just trash bags because everything's dirty and gross and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, I've already shown we have the updated.
Okay, so where are we taking us?
What?
Huh?
Oh, then I guess we'll move into here.
I'm following you.
And we've already shown this. We've updated. I still have to paint that. Dang it, I forgot.
Dang it.
The thermostat, which is really nice. So here's the dining room. New rug here, which I'm really loving. It's washable, it's real nice, a good deal on Amazon. And it just kind of flows. This is gonna go away, but right now this is like real thick, and this has kind of been our dumping ground of everything, tools and all that, so we left that on. But something nicer will go there, so we kind of have conflicting things right now. And the built-in is all filled with all of my treasures. That's been cleaned out, it was painted and everything, and now it's got all my stuff is there. And it still needs to be touched up a little bit, but otherwise, yeah.
The cap needs a sticker off.
The cap needs a sticker off. I need to use WD-40 on that, but that kind of covers up the, whatever that thing's called. What's it called?
Who knows?
Yeah.
A hole in the...
So, but it's staying up there, so it works, but I'll get it down and get the sticker off, and that's all right. New in the kitchen, you need to explain this, because this is your work.
Well, there's really nothing to explain other than that window went bye-bye, so now that board is there, and we'll board up the rest of the walls to cover the nastiness, and then we'll be ready to finish them out with trim, etc.
The new light.
We got a new light.
Which looks beautiful. It looks perfect for what we're doing.
I still have one that will go over the sink over there, but it'll be forthcoming after we've painted and stuff in there.
And cabinets and all that kind of stuff. The refrigerator will go in the kitchen one day.
One day.
So the bedroom, I think we've this has already been done, but I don't know. I think this was all done. The laundry room was done. I haven't painted this yet. This is going to be painted, and David has a plan for his little secret opening there.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever you're going to do, but I guess we'll wait. We'll keep people waiting. Once you get it done, then we'll videotape what it all looks like. But
And I saw this when you did your little washer dryer.
yes, I'm loving that so much. It works out really well. The light switch in there, and so you're going to be putting a door here, and this will be painted green. The rest of the color of the room, and what are you going to do? You're going to add.
There'll be applied moldings basically, but yes.
Whatever that is, okay. We have curtains. Yeah, that's new.
Curtains.
So I don't have to dress in the dark, so that way we're not exposing ourselves to neighbors, which is a real creep factor.
We can hide.
And why was this a pain in the butt? Explain that
What was it painted about?
We couldn't just use the regular curtain rods and,
Well, they would use the regular curtain rods. We couldn't use the brackets that they came with because they didn't extend far enough out to get past the capital that's up there at the top. So we had to get brackets that stood out further.
but they look really good, and now we have privacy. And we are gonna put curtains in the other
Bedroom.
bedroom someday. There's bathroom.
Big changes in here.
Yeah. Caulking's just about done, except for this area, which I can't get to because the ladder makes me nervous getting up that high. But all the trim, everything is all up. All this just needs to be painted now. This was all caulked. I did do that. And toilet paper holder needs to go up, and we've got hooks to go up, and we're gonna hang, I think, a little bit of artwork in here to brighten it up. But everything's looking really spectacular.
So it just needs to be painted and ready to roll.
Yeah, and really this is the only, I think there's a little bit, has to be caulked right up there. That section I couldn't get to, and then this little bit back here, but otherwise everything's, it looks so good with all the molding you put up. It looks beautiful. So yeah, so this looks a lot better. And so, but still a few more things. The painting is the big thing. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. That's the plan. And here there's really nothing. We've
It's a
added
closet.
shelving and whatever to there to me. And this, we haven't done anything other than the bed. We had some problems. It was missing the little casters.
Mm-hmm.
So we bought some of these hardware and added those. And so right now this is ready for guests who'll be here in a couple weeks to sleep. But curtains are going up here so they won't be exposing themselves to the neighbors. And some other stuff's been unpacked. These things here, there's some boxes and whatever still need to be undone. We need to add some more shelving. We're trying not to hang up too much stuff to damage. We don't want to damage the plaster, but we're going to hang up a few things. But we've got some pictures we want to hang of our kids. And so that's going to require shelving somehow, some way. We're going to do that. But I think that's it. Is that it?
And take us back to the front door.
Okay.
That's it.
Here we go. So yeah, so what's next? What's on your agenda? What are you gonna do?
Well, I have some caulking now I need to get done. And then other than that, I'm onto the kitchen floor and the kitchen walls and then kitchen cabinetry.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I've got to paint the bathroom, and that's gonna be a big job. And then paint the wall, the laundry room, all of that.
Oh, and I have the little door I have to make to go in the laundry room wall.
So we've got little things. Still need to do the smoke alarms,
Detectors.
whatever. We have them, they just need to be hung. And I think that's it. I mean, the kitchen is the big thing.
It's a big thing.
Yeah. It's a big thing. Yeah. And so I guess, yeah, until we're ready to, once you start doing the flooring, we'll do another video. It's a very pretty floor. It's gonna look lovely. And I think that's all. Anything else?
Not that I'm aware of.
No. It really has. You feel like, oh my gosh, there's so much more to do. But when we go back and look at some of the pictures from the end of October to where we are now, it's like, holy cow. It's a huge difference of how everything's coming together and how pretty it all looks. And I just think we're real happy. Real happy.
Especially me.
I know. The door, you've already done that. I got the sticker off finally. That took WD-40.
Yay!
To using all the other hacks that were out there. None of them worked. Alcohol and I can't remember what else I used. Hand sanitizer and soap and all that. I didn't want to use Goo Gone, but anyway, I used WD-40 and got it off. And I think that's it. We still have to do switch plates. Oh, I've got to do that too. I forgot. I've got to repair that switch there. But okay, I think that's it. Stuff that's worthy of another video in the future. Okay, so I'm saying bye.